Hello everyone, my name is Pawanpreet Kaur from CO18 batch. Today my topic is social distancing sensor. This is a circuit that I had created for it. The reason to choose it for making this sensor is the situation of COVID-19 where we had to maintain a social distance from each other. So let's have a look at the components I used for it. First is Arduino Uno R3 LED, which is a red color, piezo buzzer, resistor of 220 ohm, and ultrasonic distance sensor. Then have a look at a code. In a code, initially we defined trigger pin, echo pin, and buzzer pin, which is at place 10, 9, and 12 of an Arduino pin. Then we had defined a variables, duration and distance. In void setup loop, we had provided with outputs and inputs where echo pin act as an input, trigger pin, buzzer pin, and LED act as a output pin. So in void loop we used to calculate duration, means we had to calculate time. So for this we use pulse in function where echo pin is at high. So after calculating distance from echo pin, which means that a wave from ultrasonic sensor, or we can say sound wave from ultrasonic sensor, is transmitted whenever it faces an object or obstacle. It will reflect a ray back to the receiver. In this way, duration is calculated. Afterwards, we had to calculate distance. Distance is equal to duration into speed of sound divided by 2. Afterwards, we calculating the distance in centimeter, we want to print, so we use the function serial.println. So now we have to see that either we are maintaining a social distancing from each other. So as we have calculated a distance, if the distance calculated is less than 110, it means that you have maintained the social distancing, you have followed the guidelines. But if distance is more than 110, then it means you are close to that person, so you are breaking the rules. So what will happen in digital right? 12 and 13 pin. 12th and 13th pin means off buzzer and off LED will start to glow, and buzzer will buzzer will beep and makes you aware that you had broken the rule, so a wake up. So in this a whole circuit will perform. So let's go to a simulation part. In simulation part, so see, we are at distance of 313.2 centimeter. From the code it is seen that it is a safe distance. We are maintaining a distance. As we move towards the sensor, you will see a beep sound. You have heard this beep sound now. It means that you are not maintaining a social distance. So it will awakes you that please maintain social distance. So let's try we maintain a social distance. So beeps stop. Not maintaining social distance less than 110 centimeter. More than 110 centimeter, you are maintaining means maintaining distance. In this way, this whole project works. Hope you enjoyed a lot. Thank you.